You motherfucker, are you happy? You fucking prick, are you happy? You should fucking rot in hell, you bastard!
On August 7th, 2023, officers responded to a disturbance at a luxury hotel involving an upset guest causing a disturbance and requiring police intervention.
But I'm doing a little training at the best.
I don't feel that all I want to do is lay down and this bastard won't let me stay here.
1 second, ma'am.
No, don't listen to him. Don't you put your hands on me.
Back up or you're gonna go to jail.
Fuck you, I will go to jail.
I bet you will.
Go fuck yourself.
Anyway.
I don't
It all started with
feel
a
good.
discrepancy on the reservation.
No.
Priceline booked her for 3 nights. She said it was 4.
Disney made a mistake. I said I would deal with it, and he got nasty. He didn't like my answer. And he goes, you're not allowed to stay
yes.
here, and I
You want
lost
to
it.
trespass?
I just wanted to leave.
feel good.
I don't want to do more paperwork for you guys.
No problem.
So if we could just
No,
get her on her way.
I
so we
use
can call
my
Priceline and
timeshare
get
for
it
this. I don't have
rescheduled
money.
for another property.
When officers arrived, they met with the general manager, who explained that the woman had mistakenly booked incorrect dates for her hotel stay through a third-party booking service.
Spit at you!
Ma'am, relax.
You're lucky I didn't kick you in the balls. Don't touch
Go
me.
outside, we'll come back
Get
in.
your hands off
Stop
me.
bailing, or I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
I don't care.
Ma'am.
How about that? I
Call your
don't
brother
fucking
for
care.
You
Good.
need to leave the property.
I can't. I have nowhere to go. I'm not.
Unfortunately, if you're not leaving, you're going to jail.
F you. I'm not leaving.
Okay, then you're going to jail.
Don't come. I got a bad back.
You out of your mind.
I got a rod on my back. Stop. I got a rod on my back. Help me. Stop. I got a rod up my back, please.
That was not smart.
And then you hit me? Are you out of your
I
mind?
got a rod up my back,
You're going to
please.
jail, man, so
Please.
that's very good.
I got Disney on the phone,
That's
please.
all right.
Sir, I got a rod in my back.
That's okay. You'll figure it out later.
Please. Pretty please. I'm sorry. I'm
No, it's
so
too late for all
upset.
that. You're a grown woman. You don't need to act like that.
When the police officer attempted to calm her down, and she continued to assault the manager and restrain employees, despite instructions to stop, immediate action was taken to arrest her to prevent further escalation and ensure safety.
Sir, pretty please put the cuffs in front. My arms are in so much pain. I have 2 torn rotator cuffs. Please. Can you call my brother, please? Pretty please. I have a rod up my whole back. Pretty please, can you just take, I can't stand like that. You don't understand how bad my back is. Pretty please. Where's my phone?
It's in your purse.
Can you call my brother,
We'll get to
please?
that.
I can't believe you're arresting me.
Maybe if you didn't act the way you did.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
And then you hit me on top of
I
that.
didn't mean to. I'm so frustrated. I just wanted to go to sleep.
To calm down.
I just want to go to sleep. Pretty please put the cuffs in front. I can't feel my arms right now. I truly, look at my phone. You'll see in my medical docs. I have 2 torn rotator cuffs. It's no joke. Pretty please. Please put the cuffs in front. I'm dying in pain. Please. Pretty please. Oh my God. Please, sir. Pretty please. Put the cuffs in front. I can't maneuver. I can't get in here with the cuffs like this. I gotta hold on.
Let's go.
I can't. I have a rod up my whole back. Look at my spine.
Use the step.
I can't. I need to hold on.
There's a step.
Sir, I need to hold on with the cuffs.
Please get in the car.
I
or will
can't.
put you in the car.
Force me. I can't. I need your help. I'm not joking.
Take a look.
After the woman continued to resist arrest and verbally abuse the officers, she was placed inside the vehicle. Subsequently, another officer met with the hotel manager to gather comprehensive details about the incident, ensuring an accurate understanding of what transpired.
Go ahead and please tell me what happened. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So I believe the date was August the 2nd. I was doing some training at the front office of the hotel with my front desk team when this guest came up to check in. To be candid, I don't remember her name right off the bat right now. But she came to check in. I remember that she had a reservation from the 2nd through the 5th. So she had a 3-night reservation. At that time, as part of the check-in process, it's customary to verify the check-in and check-out date, how many nights are staying, and all that. So when I was doing that, she pointed out that it wasn't a 3-night stay, it was supposed to be a 4-night stay. So I advised her, since it was booked through Priceline, which is a prepaid service, I wasn't allowed to change the number of nights because that would generate an additional night charge back to Priceline, which I can't authorize. So the guest has to call Priceline and sort out whatever discrepancies are there with the reservation. At that point, she said that that wasn't her problem, that was our problem, that I needed to deal with it, and that she wasn't leaving till Sunday. I told her that that's not how things work, that I'll be happy to check her in for the 3-night stay that she's booked for, and after she's checked in, she could call the Priceline from her room. She could sort out this additional night stay, and then we could process, that additional night stay, so she could stay the 4 nights that she needs to. At that point, she again said that no, that's not her problem, and she started using some curse words, F this and F that and F you. I told her that unfortunately that's not language or behavior that we could accept at the property, and I would go ahead and accept the 3 F words that she said, but if she continued with more F words, that I would not be able to check her in, and she would need to find another place to stay. She continued with F words, she continued to curse and yell, so I canceled the reservation in our system, and I told her that at this point she does not have a reservation anymore. She's not authorized to be on property, and we asked her to please leave. She didn't listen. She started raising her voice, yelling and screaming and making pretty much a big stink and scene in our lobby. We tried to ask her to leave. We told her to please call Priceline. She didn't listen. She continued to curse and scream. At that point, I called the local PD, Fort Lauderdale Police Department, and asked for assistance in removing the guests from the property. When Fort Lauderdale Police came, the guest seemed to continue to argue with me. She tried to approach me on several occasions. I tried to back away. I was speaking with the officers when she was doing this. And
after gathering complete information, the police officer decided to transport the woman to the police station for further investigation. Throughout the journey, she persistently verbally abused and threatened the officer.
Property, and I wouldn't have
I
had to
was
put my hands
gonna
on you.
leave the property.
No, you
didn't
weren't. You
give
literally
me a
said, I'm not
chance.
leaving. That's what you said.
I was talking to Disney to try to get a
No, you
room.
weren't. It's all on body cam.
I don't care. I got hair in my mouth. Now I spit on your floor because I got hair in my mouth.
Okay, that's fine. Criminals sit back there anyway.
I'm not a criminal. I've never been arrested in my fucking life. I'm supposed to meet people. Could you at least call and tell them I can't make it? Could you do that for me? You motherfucker, are you happy? You fucking prick, are you happy? You should fucking rot in hell. You bastard! Sir, can you do me a favor and make a phone call for me?
When you get to the jail,
Oh, kiss my ass in front of Macy's at high noon.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
I told you my brother's a retired New York City cop. You can't give me courtesy by just calling him?
Not when you hit me.
Sir, I asked you not to fucking touch me.
And I
You
asked you to
didn't
leave the
listen.
property.
You didn't have to put your hands on me.
If you had left the property, I wouldn't have had to.
I was gonna leave, but I needed to have a minute.
Which one?
You didn't give me a minute. Ask this bastard if he's happy. Are you fucking happy?
From the police station, the woman was taken to court where she faced multiple charges, including criminal trespassing, failure to leave the property, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest without warning, reflecting the severity of her actions at the hotel. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos.